Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy tutorial review on how you can easily decide which of these podcasting tools can be a game changer for you. So I'm just going to quickly dive into it. So talking about these two podcasting tools, which is Riverside and Restream. So Riverside focused mainly on high quality podcasting recording with crystal clear audio, separate guest track and easy editing tools. It's perfect for creators who want professional audio result without the hassle. However, it can feel pricey and some user notice occasional syncing bugs. Now, talking about Restream, on the other hand, is built for live streaming across multiple platforms at once. It's great for audio audience engagement, real-time interaction, but it lacks advanced editing tools. So, if you want polished recording podcast, go with Riverside as it's one of the best tools for that. And for live interactive shows, Restream is your best pick. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.